So the second draw today is Olga Giria from Russia against Antoneta Stefanova, the former world champion from Bulgaria. Please tell us about your game. Antoneta, maybe you start.
Well, Olga surprised me a little bit in the opening because normally after a6, I think she plays a4. So after e3, I started thinking, okay, what she prepared and so on, and I decided to play bishop f5, which is a possible move, maybe not the best, maybe, but playable. And I think the whole game was about equal, maybe slightly better for white, but nothing special. So I don't know. I didn't see any special improvement either for black, either for white. So I think it was more or less logical result.
There was a 20-second move c5. You didn't think about playing c5 instead of bishop f4?
Sorry, when was that?
Instead of changing bishop here,
when?
20th move.
20th move. So
Here
you mean
Yeah.
c5.
c5 direct, maybe, but knight f6, knight d5, I don't know.
Knight
Then
f6, queen e5.
Queen e5, queen b7 maybe. I don't know. Okay, it's
I thought
slightly
that
more
maybe
space. But
play
maybe
e5. Yeah.
Yes,
E5
here
and it's
e5
strong.
or even c5. I don't know. Should be easier, but somehow I don't know. I could not decide which move. But probably bishop e7. Yeah, it's a bit doublet.
Yes, I thought that I have a little advantage here. Maybe not knight d2.
Maybe you should play g3, king g2.
Yes, I thought about
play h6.
even g4. Something like that, and then g5 is idea.
I don't know, but okay. I mean, I should have some perpetual at some moment. I mean, I don't believe that it's lost, but okay, slightly more pleasant for white it is. But and here you mean e5?
E5.
Yeah. And what I didn't like here, there was something I didn't like, but what it was, I don't even remember.
I wanted to play to take
Take, knight takes.
liberation.
Oops. Yes, variation. Take.
Bishop f4, something like that.
Bishop f4, but okay, take.
Mm-hmm.
Queen. I don't know. Queen d7, rook d1. Queen e6. Oops, sorry. I don't know. Maybe just queen e6. Rook d8. No,
Mhm.
should be easier way to make a draw, but even how I played, I think it's not easy for white.
Okay, thank you very much.